All right, so we are out of the range again. I'm just waiting for it to open, and there's still some snow on the ground. You guys might have seen in another short where I was trying to do some sledding with this guy here, but the snow was still kind of loose, and now it's a lot harder, so I feel like it's going to slide a little bit better, and we have some time to kill before we actually go hot. So let me show you the view that we are working with right here. So kind of stupid, I'm gonna be wearing a helmet, so there's that. But yeah, if it's not working well over here, I'm gonna move over a little bit where it's a little bit less of a slope. So yeah, I guess we'll try it out. We'll see what happens. Okay, not bad. Rocks hurt, so I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna try it again. It works so well. Okay, let's go that way. Yeah, this view is pretty sweet. A little foggy, but it's all right. Still looks cool. Yeah, so this is, as you can see, it's a lot less steep. But if this doesn't work out still, we can try over there, but hey, let's just send it. Oh yeah, okay. I'm definitely gonna do that again, except I'm gonna keep my feet out this time because I think that's a little bit easier for steering than my hands. So we'll try that. Ivan here still holding up pretty well. What's funny too is there's a road like right over there. So if there's a car driving by, they might see me doing this. And I don't know what they would think from far away. It might look like I'm just riding another person. All right. Holy shit. How does he keep getting so much snow up in him? Man, that was pretty sick. I don't know if we're gonna get a better little lane than that right there, to be honest. One more time. Oh man, I did legs day yesterday, so this really sucks. Let's just enjoy the view for a bit. All right. Okay. That is a lot more fun than it seems. All right, I'm gonna try over there real quick. And yeah, and then I'll actually get ready for doing something a little bit more productive with this guy. Oh, look, a bullet. Huh. Alrighty. My peltors are all fucked up. So I'm gonna hold the GoPro this time and see what kind of view we can get like that. That was a lot more speed than the other lane. We're gonna have to prep a little bit better for that one, mentally. Holy cow. Yeah, I'm gonna throw the GoPro back on the helmet because I'm gonna need like 100% focus with this freaking thing. All right, let's send it. Yep, that was a straight rock towards the half of that, but it felt good. Ivan is having a heart attack here, but he held up. Appreciate you. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed these pre-range shenanigans. Definitely not on the fly thing, but I had like an hour to kill anyway, and the range is gonna open in about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna stop now before other people show up and start asking questions that I probably can't answer.